subtraction. To subtract 1, we must go one place backward on the number strip. Subtracting 2 means going 2 places back. So, 20 minus 2 equals 18. Addition by increasing in tens and subtracting by taking away tens. Look at this addition. 23 plus 10 equals 33. Add 54 plus 10 equals 64. 16 plus 10 equals 26. 42 plus 10 equals 52. Look at this subtraction. 12 minus 10 equals 2. Subtract. 45 minus 10 equals 35. 26 minus 10 equals 16. 82 minus 10 equals 72. Addition and subtraction in steps. Observe. 27 plus 1 equals 28. 28 minus 1 equals 27. 34 plus 10 equals 44. 44 minus 10 equals 34. 23 plus 20 equals 43. Here we see two big steps. 43 minus 20 equals 23. From addition towards subtraction. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Note that from 4 plus 3 equals 7, we get 7 minus 4 equals 3 and 7 minus 3 equals 4. Addition and subtraction. Kampu plucked 14 jumbles from the tree and put them in his basket. Kampu, Nandu, Sonu and Moti all had 2 jumbles each, but Mani had only 1. We ate 9 jumbles together. Now, can we tell how many are left without looking in the basket? What's so difficult? Take away 9 from 14. Let's count forward after 9 up to 14. We counted 5 numbers: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, 14 minus 9 equals 5. Oh dear, I can't get this so quickly. My method is different. 14 minus 4 is 10. Isn't this easy? Yes, but we have to subtract 9. Okay, we took away 4. We can take away 5 more. We took away 4 from the units digit. Now, we will use the 10 and subtract the remaining 5. So, 10 minus 5 equals 5. There's still another method. If you have practiced small additions well and you remember that 9 plus 5 equals 14, then you can tell at once that 14 minus 9 equals 5. It means that we must practice small additions a lot. Otherwise, we can make two convenient parts of 9 and subtract them one by one. Subtraction by untying a 10. Preparation. 28 means 2 tens, 8 units. Untying 1 10, we get 1 10 and 18 units. Therefore, 2 tens, 8 units means 1 10, 18 units. Similarly, 15 means 1 10, 5 units. Untying 1 10, we get 0 tens, 15 units. Therefore, 1 10, 5 units means 0 tens, 15 units. 32 means 3 tens, 2 units. Untying 1 10, we get 2 tens, 12 units. Therefore, 3 tens, 2 units means 2 tens, 12 units. Subtraction by untying a 10. Preparation. I have 25 rupees. I have to give 7 rupees to Nandu. But you only have 5 rupees loose change. How will you give me 7 rupees out of these? That's not difficult. I will go to a shop and change one 10 rupee note for 10 1 rupee coins. Now you have one 10 rupee note and 15 1 rupee coins. Give me 7 of those 1 rupee coins. So, in the end, I have one 10 rupee note and 8 1 rupee coins. It means I have 18 rupees left. Subtraction by untying a 10. Now look at the subtraction below. Tens, T. Units, U. 34 minus 8 is the same as 2 tens and 14 units minus 8 equals 26. If Anagha has planted 27 of the 45 trees, how many does she still have to plant? Answer: she has to plant 18 trees. If Sumit has finished reading 39 of the 52 pages in the storybook, how many are remaining? Answer: there are 13 pages pending.